Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider. I want to make a little announcement here. In partnership with Japan Crate, I would like to present to you the contest of contests. A contest where you can win one of these. This is an UMAI crate. There's a good chance if you've seen me do unboxings of these in the past, you can enter to win one of these. I've reviewed a lot of the stuff in these and we tried a lot of really neat noodles. They have bonus items in the box every month. Rice paddles, sponges, all sorts of different things that I would never think of putting in box like this. Chopsticks, of course. And they also have had different ramen seasonings. Pretty darn cool. I'm impressed with that. If you want to win one of these boxes, check down in the description. There's a link that you can follow, enter, sign up, do all that kind of thing. You never know. You might win. This is going to go on for, I guess, a couple weeks. Go enter the contest and you can win one of these. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day and good luck on winning one of these boxes. Have a good one. Bye.